Gaano kadaming oras ang nasasayang mo kakaikot ng numbers sa Excel? A lot of accountants say that Excel is powerful. Yes, ang problema tayo. Tayo yung magulo. Halo-halo yung data, ang daming sheets, hindi properly cleaned up yung data at ang hilig nating mag-save ng multiple versions ng iisang file, kaya nagkakandahilo-hilo tayong mang-ubos ng oras kakahanap ng latest version. That's the hidden cost of Excel. Time. Time na magagamit mo sana to strategize, meet clients, or actually grow the business. Kung ikaw yung business owner, that's money lost. Kung ikaw yung accountant, that's energy and brain cells wasted. Now here's where AI-powered tools like Zero, One Accounting, and Zoho Box change the game. Instead of wasting hours finding or fixing spreadsheets, you get instant reconciliations, real-time reports, and automatic error checks. So ngayon ang tanong, kailangan ka pa bang magsayang ng madaming oras kung pwede namang madali yung trabaho? This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.